these are your instructions for today. I thought this would be the easiest way to give you those. So in your inbox, you should have someone else's lab that they did yesterday, and you won't know who it is, hopefully. There'll just be a number at the top, and that's for me to know whose lab that is. Okay, then you want to add your name out beside that, so don't delete their name. Okay, so put and then your name there at the top. So, and Miss Waters. Okay, like that. All right, then you want to look at what they did because they have a different topic than you. Okay, so this is a way that we can be looking both at mass and distance. So yesterday you looked at one, today you're going to look at a different one, hopefully. So you're going to look through what they did on title, purpose, intro, materials, procedure, and I want you to make at least 3 quality comments. You're going to do that by clicking review in Microsoft Word, and then wherever you want to put the comment, okay, you're going to click and then add comment. For example, I noticed right here that she says record data. Okay, so I'm going to put a comment right here. What data should be recorded? Right, so that would be a quality comment. I noticed that that's something that's missing. Your comment should focus on something that they missed, okay, something you think should be included that wasn't, something that they may have misstated or maybe confusing. You could say, you know, can I get some clarification on this? What do you really mean here? Or these compliments could be positive in nature, such as, I really like the way you stated X, Y, Z, you know, whatever the case may be. Do not just put good job or anything vague like that. Make sure you're very specific in your comments, okay? 3 quality comments in that section. Then you're going to go down here and you are going to do their lab, not yours, not the one you talked about yesterday, but theirs. Okay, so this person is looking at force and distance, so that's what you're going to study. Okay, you're going to follow their procedure. If their procedure is not good enough to follow, then you should put that in the comments. Okay, you need to add a step for blah, blah, blah. Okay, whatever the case may be. And then you're going to do the data, okay, and then graph. Now, as always, please just delete this, okay, and insert your graph here. So if you do your graph by hand, put a picture of it. If you're doing it in Excel, you can copy and paste the graph from Excel. I put instructions on how to graph this by hand or in Excel under the links. Okay, so look under there. There's 2 videos you can watch to figure that out. Then you're going to write the conclusion. Remember, when you write the conclusion, what did I learn from this lab? This is about your data. What relationship do you see in your data, etc. Okay. When we talk about errors, this is an online lab, so there really shouldn't be any errors. What I want you to do instead is answer the second part of that question from yesterday. Okay, so if it's about mass, you want to answer the question, if everything has gravitational force, why do I not feel attracted to my computer right now? Okay, that was the second part of the question about mass. If it's about distance, the question was, why does gravity decrease as we move further away from the Earth? You want to address that question if you're looking at distance, okay? So don't worry about the errors, answer the second part of that question. So that's your instructions for today. Go through the other person's lab, make 3 comments, finish the lab, and then submit it. So there should be 2 things in your Dropbox. Your original submission from yesterday, and then this person's lab that you finished should go in your Dropbox today.